Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up SSO login for your customers so they can log in into their client portal in a single click. And I'll demonstrate this for you. So if you're in your Pabbly subscription billing account, you'll see this profile picture icon. And when you click on this, you get these options, my account, my subscriptions. And to log in into your client portal of Pabbly. So you must have purchased plans of Pabbly, whether it can be a lifetime deal or whatever. You can log in into your client portal to see details of your transaction, invoices, and everything. So we have set up SSO for you, a single sign-on option, and you can simply log in into your client portal by a single click by clicking on this option, which is my subscriptions. And I clicked on this and I am into the client portal, which is handled by Pabbly, and I am the customer here. So you can do this same for your customers. You can set up this single sign-in for your customers using API documentation of Pabbly subscription billing. I'll close this for now. And here we have our API documentation, which is quite extensive. You have so many actions that you can do, and we'll see how we can set up client portal API session using this API, which is under client portal. And there are some basic necessities, the parameters that you need to set, which is customer ID. We have our endpoint URL, and then we have to select the basic authorization while firing this API for the integration. And we'll try to fire this and see how this works. I'll copy this endpoint URL and put it in Postman. We'll be running this API in Postman. And then we have to enter the parameters, which is customer ID. This is the required one. This is the required one. So we'll be using this parameter. Customer ID. I'll fetch a customer ID from my account. This is my Pabbly subscription billing account. These are the list of my customers. And we'll check this for this customer, John Glenn, and we have their customer ID. In the customers tab, you just need to go on the email address of the customer to get the customer ID. And we have the customer ID. We'll copy this and post it in Postman. Then we need to select the authorization. The authorization that we use for integration in Pabbly subscription billing is basic auth. So we'll select basic auth from the drop down, and we have our API key. I'll check if these are the correct ones or old ones. So yes, we have API on the second last option, and we'll copy this key. We'll post it in this account, and we'll get the secret key. We'll post it. And now we'll fire this API. So what is supposed to happen is that in response, we'll be getting this. The response that we'll be getting is this response, which will generate a login URL, which is going to be used by the customer to log in. And we'll see how this can be used. We'll send this request. And we got a success message that the API has been fired successfully, potent token created successfully. And this URL will be used by the customer to log in into their client portal. So this is for the integration. So this is how you can integrate. The URL will be used for the single sign-in and single click sign-in, and we'll open this URL. And we are in the client portal of this customer that we wanted. So this is how you set up the single sign-on in Pabbly subscription billing. You have the API documentation that you can use for reference, and we'll post the link in the comment in the description. So, but if you have any difficulties, let us know so we can assist you. Thanks for watching.